Hey guys, a warm welcome back to the channel and nice to see you again. Today's video is a little bit different because we have a single crown fork that fits normally 203 disc rotor and we have a bigger one 220. And in previous video I had no chance to install the brake caliper and I also bought two adapters. I still had a problem, I haven't got enough long bolts to mount the brake caliper. And finish my build 2024 Dartmoor Hornet Black Devil. For today's video I bought longer bolts and very important, these bolts are better quality than the factory one. I bought them in a special bolt shop and now I'm ready to install the brake caliper. Okay, let's go with the video. First thing which should we do is just put this one like this. Then we will use this bolt here. Okay, the second one, the second bolt. Just take the hex key. Okay, we'll tie this one. Okay, we will push a little bit on the brake and just tie them perfectly. So this is how I managed to install the brake caliper. And guys, before I finish, I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and see you in the next one. Peace!